Hello everyone and welcome back to Care Dental Spa with Dr. Long. Today I'd like to discuss the topic of plaque. Plaque? Like the plaque? Yeah, good point. Not that kind of plaque that hang on the wall, but the plaque in the mouth. My apology. Let me introduce to you my friend Vincent. He looks just exactly like me, right? Hey, do I? Let me show you what plaque looks like. I'm gonna get an Explorer and demonstrate in my mouth. So hang on. I'm gonna let you see closer. Ew, that's in our mouth? Yes it is. If you have not watched my other video, what is the cavities? I highly recommend it. Let us do a quick review. Plaque is a sticky film of bacteria. Let us try to understand this a little bit further. First, let's look at the components of plaque. Approximately 80 to 90% of plaque is water, while dry weight consists of 70% of bacteria and 30% of polysaccharides and glycoprotein. That is totally foreign to me. I know, right? But let me make it easier. Polysaccharides are in potato, rice, bread, etc. Glycoproteins are frequently on the surface of the cell where they function as a membrane protein. Wow, what does all that mean anyway? Bottom line, plaque develops when you eat foods containing carbohydrate, starch, and sugars, such as in milk, soft drinks, cake, or candy, and leave them behind in your teeth when you do not brush. That sounds like a normal thing in my life, and that's gross. I definitely need to start brushing and flossing after eating. I don't want that nasty plaque in my teeth. Thank you. Dental can be boring, but I will do my best to make it easier to understand. We appreciate that. Thanks, Doc. Let me continue. Dental plaque is considered a biofilm that attached to the tooth surface. Biofilm is a tiny slim of bacteria. In order for us to understand, we need to look at the steps of plaque formation. Oh no, here come the boring stuff. I know, right? Let me go through and explain it to you in scientific terms first. Okay, here we go. Number one, association. This is where the dental pellicle forms on the tooth and provides bacteria a surface in which it attaches. Number two, adhesion. Bacteria loosely binds to the pellicle within hours of eating. Number three, proliferation. Bacteria spreads throughout the mouth and it begins to multiply. Number four, microcolony. Microcolonies are very small colonies of cells that grow under a suboptimal conditions. Septococci secrete a protective layer which is slime layer. 5. Biofilm formations. Microcolony forms a complex group with many resources. Number 6. Growth of maturation. The biofilm develops a primitive circulatory system. Wow, that's dry and boring, Doc. I know. The bottom line is, if we let plaque build up by eating and not brushing and flossing afterwards, it can support more and more plaque to attach to it. So why is this so crucial to us? How so, Doc? It is crucial because there are good and bad bacteria associated in this process as plaque grows and mature. Imagine your tooth is a foundation of a building blocks, and as you eat and do not brush, more bad blocks are building on top of one another. Pretty soon, the foundation or the tooth are layered with all bad blocks. This term is called calculus. Wow, calculus sound like mathematics, which I don't remember. But that's interesting to know. My apology in advance, but more dry stuff are here. Go on, Doc. We understand that you are teaching us. Thank you. That is my goal, and here I go. The early biofilm primarily consists of gram-positive cocci bacteria. About 3 to 4 days there increase the number of ligaments and fusiforms. Ligaments and fusiforms? That sounds like fingers or something. I know, right? Then over 9 days, if undisturbed, more and more complex flora of rods and filamentous form. Finally, 7 to 14 days, viral species, Sporacea, a more complex gram-negative organism that are formed. My head hurts, doc. I'm sorry. Let me convert this into a common language here. In general, gram-positive bacteria are good, and gram-negative bacteria are bad. So, what are the consequences of these bad bacteria that build up anyway? Great question. Well, that would include gingivitis, inflammation of the gum, or gingiva. Periodontitis is an infection which leads to bone destruction around the teeth and cavities, which is decay. Another one is halitosis or bad breath. These will be topic for the next video. Until then, thanks doc. That wasn't bad at all. Again, I apologize in advance and thank you for watching this video. I know this is a lot of information and a lot of scientific terminology. It is my goal to help you understand the dental world. Please share this video with your families and friends, and don't forget to subscribe and like below. Also comment if you want me to review any topic for you. See you next time. Bye bye.